It's tragic when the systems that are supposed to save our lives are the ones that we have to watch the most. You would think that after all of the unwanted tragedies and the drama that occurred with UnitedHealthcare about 2 months ago, that they would do the right thing regarding their subscribers, but unfortunately, they don't. So take my situation for example. My pharmacy premium for 2024 was $57.20. For 2025, it jumped to $92. No explanation, no transparency, no justification, just a hyperinflated bill. Companies like UnitedHealth use something called PBMs, pharmacy benefit managers. They're the middle people that claim to lower prices, but in reality, they don't. I stopped trusting these pharmacy plans a long time ago when my blood pressure kept going up, even though I was taking the medication appropriately. The problem started when I used a pharmacy plan, not UnitedHealth, but a different one that provided a mail order services. Now, these mail order services are supposed to save you money. But because my blood pressure kept going up after I started using that program, I said, okay, let me figure out what's going on. So I sent the blood pressure medicine that I got from the supermarket I used to get and included the blood pressure medicine from the mail order company. And guess what? And it was expensive. It was not cheap. I had these pills analyzed. But long story short, the mail order pills had 50% less of an ingredient that they were supposed to. So that's why my blood pressure was going on. On top of that, a lot of these medicines are made either in China or in India where there's no regulation. In 2018, Europe discovered that an ingredient in a popular blood pressure medicine had been pulled off of the market. So then the FDA got curious and, they did what Europe did, and they found out that these drugs had carcinogenic ingredients, things that cause cancer. Again, drugs made in China and India where there's no oversight. So when you hear about drugs being recalled in this country, you know why. I made this video because I want to let the public know that you do have options. There's a company called GoodRX, and I have no affiliation. I'm not an influencer. They're not paying me. But GoodRX it's a good deal because the medicine that you take, GoodRx can probably find it cheaper. For example, I take 2 blood pressure medicines. GoodRx can give me both medicines for $50, as opposed to UnitedHealth that not only charges me $92, that's just for the so-called management, but then on top of that, I would still have to pay for the medication. So I want you to know you have options. Don't be afraid to use them, okay? We don't have to get ripped off by these companies because of greed. So if you like this, what I'm saying, please like, subscribe. Sharing is caring, and I hope to see you again soon.